In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Lovable Dev code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a project from Lovable Dev and sync its full source code to GitHub quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Lovable Dev. Look for the official site in the results and open it. Once the homepage loads, click Sign In. Use your usual sign-in method, and after you're in, you'll land on the Lovable home screen. Here, locate the Projects area. This is where all of your applications live. You'll either see a list of your recent projects or a grid of all your applications. Find the specific project you want to export. On that project's card, look for the three dots in the corner. This opens the context menu. Click that menu and choose Open in New Tab. Opening in a new tab keeps your dashboard available and gives you a clean workspace for the export. Inside the project view, go to the top right corner and click the GitHub icon. This is your gateway to connecting Lovable Dev with your repository. If this is your first time connecting, click Connect to GitHub. You'll be prompted to authorize access. Follow the on-screen steps to approve the connection. This permission is what allows Lovable Dev to create or update repositories on your behalf. Next, choose whether to create a new repository or use an existing one. If you're creating a new repo, pick a clear, descriptive name and decide whether it should be public or private based on who needs access. If you're selecting an existing repo, make sure it's the correct one so you don't overwrite anything unintentionally. With your repository choice set, click Sync to GitHub. Lovable Dev will now push the full codebase for your project, built with React using Vite, styled with Tailwind, and written in TypeScript, into the repository you selected. This process usually completes in moments, depending on project size. When it's done, you'll be able to open GitHub and see the entire source tree, including configuration files, components, and assets, ready for cloning, branching, and collaboration. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Ensure you have the right permissions on the GitHub organization or repo you select. Confirm the visibility setting matches your needs. And if a sync fails, recheck the authorization and try again. You can repeat the sync anytime you make updates in Lovable Dev to keep your repository current. And that's it. You searched for Lovable Dev, signed in, opened your project, connected GitHub, selected the right repository, and synced your code. You're now ready to continue development with your preferred tooling and workflow.